Hello, welcome to my channel Tech Talk with Nathan. Here I'm sharing topics that are related to DevOps, cloud, SRE. In my previous video, I have shared how you can deploy an application in Kubernetes using Argo CD and exposing it via Ingress with HTTPS. Today I'm taking this to one step further. I will be deploying the same application, but instead of Ingress, be using Gateway API with Cilium as CNI, and also cert-manager for HTTPS end-to-end. We will be doing all the setup using Argo CD, and Git is our source of truth. Starting our demo, the first thing is to start the Minikube cluster. Since Minikube has its own CNI, we want to disable it for us to be able to use Cilium CNI for the purpose. I will come back when the cluster has been started. The Minikube cluster is up and running. We can continue our setup. Argo CD is creating. It will take like 3 minutes and more. I will stop here and come back. Since we don't want to apply anytime we create a new application, in Argo CD app of Aspartan is a way to apply your configuration once to only take the part where the application has stopped. And then we have introduced Cilium. In Cilium, I would want to walk you through the Helm value files. We need to enable is the Gateway API. The operator, since we are on Minikube, we are using one replica. And then the Prometheus, we have disabled them because we don't have any Prometheus custom resources definition that has been installed. And then what you need to do is to enable NodePOR. If this is not done, your gateway class will not accept it. What NodePOR or Kubeproxy replacement does is it allows traffic to come in your Kubernetes cluster. It's like a door to your cluster. Let's commit our configuration to create the Cilium. The Cilium is progressing. Let us connect to UI so that we can check. So you see that our configuration is in progress. Let's wait for some time. Great. So it should be synchronized. You can see that it's healthy. We need the set and the Gateway API custom resources. Set manager, we just install the chart from the official documentation, enable custom resources. Adding Gateway API custom resources application. I'm creating a folder here. I'm calling Gateway API. I will apply directly configuration from the latest version 1.4.1. At the time that this video is made, maybe when you will be watching this video, you will be in another version. Feel free to apply it. Let's commit these changes. Let's wait for Argo CD to sync. Our cert-manager is in progress. The Gateway API custom resources as well. So the custom resources of Gateway API are ready. You can use them now. The next thing that we are doing is to create gateway object, and I will be explaining different components we need to create gateway. We already have a gateway class, so let's check, because when you install the gateway custom resource definition, the Cilium will create automatically a gateway class for us. Okay, for now it's unknown status. So let us restart the Cilium operator. Now it has become true after we restarted the Cilium operator. our gateway class is ready, we can use now and create the gateway. Create the gateway, and you need to specify the gateway class name, Cilium. We have it there, and then listeners. We have configured 2 listeners, one for HTTP and one for HTTPS, so that we will redirect HTTP to HTTPS, and we specify the TLS termination with our certificate. Then we have to create HTTPRoute, 2 HTTPRoutes, by the way. The first one is the redirection, so we redirect the HTTP traffic to HTTP, and then we create the HTTPRoute to run the HTTPS traffic. The section is here, and we are handling the traffic from this host name, and we specify the backend, which is the service that we have created here. There is something that's missing, is our certificate, and the process of creating the certificate I have already explained in the previous demo. You can watch it out. I will just add the different components, the issuer, the wildcard certificate. So we need to add our issue certificate, the Gateway API object. We can create our object by committing the changes. So before pushing it, I need to create for the issuer the CS secret. I have already done in the previous demo, so I will just run our changes, and we can expect that new object will be created within Hello World app. You see, we have the HTTPS route, we have the HTTP filter direct, and the gateway. If we check the gateway, you will notice something that is missing. So you will see that we have false. In program it said false, and if you describe the gateway, it said that the address not ready yet. The listener has been accepted, but there's no address, so the IP address is pending. The reason for that is, being on Minikube by default, we don't have any load balancer. We need to run Minikube tunnel, and here if you run again, gives you gets the gateway. You see that it's now programmed, which is true, and we have an IP. We can use this IP address to map to our Hello World host name in our etc host so that we can reach. So let's do that. My IP is from the previous demo. So now that we have added the IP address to point to our helloworldexample.com, we can check. So you see that it's secure and the certificate is valid. To wrap things up, we have deployed Kubernetes application using GitOps, expose it through the Gateway API, secure it with HTTPS, and powered the networking layer with Cilium. Everything you have seen here is managed declaratively through Git and continuously reconciled by Argo CD. This approach reflects how modern platform teams build secure, scalable infrastructure in Kubernetes environment today. If you found this useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.